Hello everyone, welcome to Jurisprudence Academy. In this video, we are going to talk about Clat PG 2019 official notification. Yes, it's finally out, the official notification of Clat PG 2019, and students were really waiting for this notification to come out, and they were getting anxious about the subjective parts, expected pattern, and the syllabus, all the related stuff of Clat PG 2019. But I'm quite sad to inform you that this is not the full notification or the full details of the notification. This is just the partial notification they have announced, but nonetheless there are some important things to talk to you about. That's why we are making this video. Whenever the full details of the notification comes out, we'll definitely make another video on those particular regard. So let's see what this notification holds. This notification basically talked about 3 or 4 most important things. They clarified what would be the mode of the exam, and also the date of the exam, and the most important thing, the new further website they are going to mention about where you are going to contact them. So the contact number that's given in the top left corner, that's given there, the 3 mobile number that's given, you can contact them whenever you have any query regarding your online application form, when you are going to fill up the form or the admit card or any other future course of action, you have any problem, you can contact on those mobile number, and you can save those mobile number. And also you have the email ID in the top right corner. In the email ID, the clat2019@nls.ac.in, in that email ID you can contact them as well. Now let's see what is the important thing that have been mentioned in the notification. The other important things that this notification says about the important dates. The dates that it's showing is the commencement of the submission of online application form, that will be starting from 10th January 2019 onwards, the 2 days from now. So you can start filling up your form from 10th January. And the last date of submission of the online application is 31st March 2019. So that is the starting point and the ending point. And the date of examination, I hope you already know the date of exam, that is 12th May 2019, and it would be of offline mode, that is clearly mentioned. In the October they were telling about the exam would be of offline mode, but there are some rumors the students were asking this year or next year and all those things, but this is clearly mentioned that this exam would be conducted on offline mode. Now the education qualification they have mentioned in this notification, the first thing they have mentioned is the undergraduate educational qualification, and then they have mentioned about the educational qualification for postgraduate program. We are not talking about the education qualification for undergraduate program. What we are going to talk about is the education qualification for the postgraduate program. For the postgraduate program, you know, the LLB degree or any equivalent degree, you need to appear for LLM exam, and also you need to have 55% marks in the exam. Okay, for OBC, PWD, NRI, PIO, OC, for SC and ST categories, the marks division would be 50% marks. And also one thing that they generally say, the students, they are in the final year of their LLB degree, they can also apply for LLM exam. The next important thing, that is a change that this notification talks about, is this. The website. For further details, you need to contact this website, not the clat.ac.in. You can go to this website. The website link is given below in the description. You can check out the website link, and this is the further course of action, whatever the details. I hope the online form fill up will be done in this website as well. So let's see what happened. Till now there is nothing coming up in this website, but it's saying it will be live soon. So you can check the link. You can check the link below. These are the things that we are willing to tell you people through this official notification, and when the official notification, the full details of the official notification will come out, we'll definitely make another video and we will share with you the important things. I mean the expected pattern, syllabus, and the subjective parts, and the subjects for the subjective parts, all the things we'll talk to you regarding that. So stay tuned to Jurisprudence, and please subscribe to this channel for tips, tricks, and techniques and stay updated regarding Clat PG 2019. Also, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friends who are your fellow Clat PG aspirants. That will be helpful for them as well. And give it a thumbs up if you like the video. And also, important thing I need to share with you is that Jurisprudence is providing Clat PG Preparation Builder program for you, and this program actually delivers you all the analysis of previous year's question paper and also the tips, tricks, techniques that you need to have for cracking the Clat PG. And also, if you have any query, there is one-to-one query resolution program as well, so you can contact us one-to-one and we will solve your query, whatever the problem you have regarding your Clat PG preparation. And this next 3 months, how you are going to prepare, what are the things to look after, and what are the things that you are going to do, that we have sorted out for you in this program. And also other many things that we are going to talk about in this program. And also the most important thing about this program, this is totally free. You can go and enroll it now. The link is given below in the description. You can go and check out and subscribe to the list for this program. And the next very important thing is the Clat PG crash course that is going to be launched soon on the 10th January 2019. That is a crash course for the next 4 months program, and that would be really great for the students, whoever they are willing to just boost up their preparation. This crash course will help you in their preparation program. So look forward to this, and these are the things that we wanted to share with you. Now in the next video we are going to talk about the full details of the Clat PG 2019 notification. Until next time, thank you, see you soon.